Hello and welcome to Swansway Honda Bolton. Today we've got this Honda HR-V VTEC SE for you. This comes in metallic sporty blue paint. It comes with automatic rain sensing wipers, auto coming and leaving home lighting, as well as automatic headlights with a dusk sensor. You do also have halogen headlights, as well as LED daytime running lights and high level brake lights and indicators. You do have your alloy wheels with your badge detailing in the centre. These are 17-inch. You've got your door mirrors which tilt when reversing and are electronically folding, adjustable and heated. Rear privacy glass, as well as front and rear parking sensors with a rear view camera, as you can see just underneath there. And I'll just open up the boots for you now. As you can see, you've got plenty of boot space, perfect for long distance travelling. You do have your hooking eyes in each corner, a 12-hour power outlet port, perfect for installing a dash cam at the rear, as well as under boot storage for you as well, and your lighting there for you too. You do have a removable load cover, and I'll just close up the boot and take you into the back of the vehicle. As you can see, you do have plenty of room in the back seats, with your front passenger side having a pocket behind it. This is a 5-seater, as you can see, and you do also have an armrest in your middle seat that folds downwards. These seats are also in the Magic flexibility system. This enables you to lift them upwards, like so, creating that extra bit of storage space whilst you are travelling, so if you do need that for any of your luggage requirements. You do also have another 12 voltage port in the centre with a cup holder, as well as more than enough room for a cup in your side storage with your speaker and electronically adjustable windows as well. I'll just take you into the front of the vehicle now. As you can see, you do have your chrome door handles as well. Just getting into the driver's seat. Here you can see you do have a electronic parking brake with the automatic brake hold as well, and a steering wheel with mounted audio controls. As you can see here, you do also have your telephone and voice control here, and your other settings down below. This does come with cruise control and a speed limiter, as well as traffic sign recognition. You've got audio communications, which include Bluetooth hands-free phone connection. You do have 2 USB ports and a HDMI port, which is just below here, as well as another 12-volt port. You've got your cup holders in the centre with an armrest that does lift upwards for extra storage space inside of there. This is an automatic drive, so there's your gearbox. You do have 6 speakers throughout the vehicle. Here you can see you do have your Honda Connect screen with Garmin navigation. This is 7-inch. I will turn this on just to show you the satellite navigation. So just bear with me 1 second. Whilst that's loading, here you can see you do have your dual zone climate control air conditioning. So here you can see your satellite navigation system. And if I do go on home, you can see you do have your Honda app centre, as well as AHA app integration, which I think is on here, so just bear with me 1 moment. Your AHA app integration. There we go. So that's there for you. You've got your Garmin navigator, calendar, calculator, gallery, downloads, clock, all your options that you'll need throughout your vehicle. And you do also have multi-information display here, which can be controlled just on here. I'll just turn that off just 1 second. Yep, so you do have your display there for you. So this can be controlled at the bottom, so you've got your trip computer there with your different options on it. Let's have a look what else. And anything else you might require as well. You've got plenty of room both in the front and the back of the vehicle, lighting above your rear view mirror, and I will just open up the glove box. As you can see, you do have plenty of room inside of there, great for storing any of your important driving documents. Side storage in your doors as well, and I will just turn off the ignition. If you are interested in this Honda HR-V VTEC SE, please get in touch with us, send us an email or give us a phone call and we'll be happy to assist you further. Thank you very much for watching.